Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off all direct messages on your TikTok app. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone and your Android phone, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. So first, you want to go ahead and open up TikTok. Next, you want to tap on your profile icon here at the bottom right. Then tap on the three lines at the top right. Then tap on Settings and Privacy. Now you want to tap on Privacy. Now you want to go ahead and scroll down, and under Interactions, tap on Direct Messages. Next, tap on Direct Messages at the top. On the direct message settings, by default, Who can send you direct messages? Suggested friends is selected. So if you want to set where no one can send you a message, go ahead and tap on No One. Now tap on the X, and now go back to your TikTok page. Now once you do that, no one can send you direct message on your TikTok app. And there you go, that is how to turn off all direct messages on your TikTok app. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.